Every warrior has a limit. Vegeta turned his pain into power. Gohan awakened a power he never knew he had. Broly kept growing until even his enemies couldn't keep up, and Frieza returned stronger than anyone expected. But one warrior has spent his entire life doing something different. He doesn't find his limit, he breaks it.
It's astounding! This mortal really is something else. Look at that brilliant fall. There can be no doubt. This is the true power, complete in all its majesty. This is Autonomous Ultra Instinct!